In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a free .com domain name from Bluehost, step by step. Now, just to be clear right from the start, the .com domain is free for the first year only, and it comes with eligible Bluehost hosting plans, usually 12-month or 36-month plans. So while the domain registration is free, you are still paying for the hosting plan. If this tutorial helps you, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy website and hosting guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the Bluehost website. Once the homepage loads, you'll want to look for the hosting section. Click hosting, then choose the option to add a hosting plan. Bluehost will show you different plans, so take a moment to pick an eligible one. Remember, not every offer may include the free domain, so make sure the plan you choose qualifies for the free .com domain promotion. After selecting your hosting plan, you'll move to the domain selection page. This is where the process gets important. Instead of choosing an existing domain, select Create a New Domain. This tells Bluehost that you want to register a brand new website address rather than connect one you already own. Now type in the .com domain name you want. For example, if you're starting a business, blog, portfolio, or online store, enter the name you want and keep it simple, memorable, and easy to spell. Once you've entered the domain name, click Search Domain. Bluehost will check if the name is available. If the .com domain is eligible and available, you'll see it marked as free for 1 year. That means Bluehost is including the domain registration charge for the first year as part of your hosting package. This is a great way to get your website online without paying an extra domain fee up front. If the domain is available, select it and continue with your hosting purchase. At this stage, Bluehost may show you a summary of your plan and domain selection, so review everything carefully before moving forward. Make sure the spelling of your domain is exactly how you want it, because once you register it, that becomes your website address. Next, complete your account details and payment information. You'll need to enter the required billing and contact details to finish the checkout process. After that, Bluehost will show you an order review page. Take a final look at your plan, your domain, and any extras before confirming. If everything looks good, complete the purchase. Once your order is processed, your .com domain will be registered with Bluehost for the first year at no additional domain registration charge. That means your domain is now connected to your Bluehost hosting account, and you can move on to building your website, installing WordPress, or setting up your business online. One quick tip before you go, always double check the renewal pricing for both your hosting and your domain, because the free domain only applies to the first year. It's also a smart idea to choose a domain name you can keep long term, so you don't have to rebrand later. And that's it. You now know how to buy a free .com domain name from Bluehost the right way. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.